Hello, welcome to Yemizkitchen. Today I'm rolling out the Yemizkitchen vision board for 2022. I've rolled this vision board out on Facebook, which is kind of digital, it's not live. I'm just trying to make this little video of our vision 2022 on Yemizkitchen. What are my visions for myself and Yemizkitchen 2022? The first thing is that for me, my vision is like I want to praise God. I want to be connected to God more. I'm a believer and I trust God that He kept me through last year, 2022 coronavirus, and He's kept me through. I want to be near and praise God. This is my personal vision. Then for Yemizkitchen, I want us to cook more food. I want to be more interactive, cook more colorful food. I want to be more interactive with my viewers, my subscribers. I want to get healthy. I want everybody that's watching Yemizkitchen to have the option of cooking regular food and cooking healthy food. So while I'm cooking, I'm going to be drawing some nuggets. Do you hear me? Some nuggets on how to make the food healthy, or a healthy choice you can make. Maybe where we are putting 3 spoons of palm oil, you're putting half a spoon, or you're going oilless, or you are baking your food, or you are air frying your food, or you are, instead of frying. So we'll be dropping that nugget so that everybody can cook healthy. And you can, you have a choice to cook healthy or cook the regular traditional way, which there's nothing wrong. It's your choice. We'll be getting organized in every facet of Yemizkitchen. Whichever way, I would like to show my pantry more, to be able to show my fridge to get organized, and to teach my viewers or engage them in how we can get organized together. I have all the gadgets, but I've just not had time to do it. So during this year, we'll be going to be doing a kitchen. Some of you want to see how my kitchen looks. I will do the kitchen video, my fridge, my cabinet, how I organize it, or what it looks like in my pantry, and some organization skills in our house. I want to get up in every facet of every facet of Yemizkitchen. I want to enjoy and be happy. In Yemizkitchen, happiness is a choice. You have to choose to be happy. I choose to be happy. I want to celebrate myself and my life. As long as we're alive, I want to celebrate. So I want to enjoy myself. And while I'm enjoying myself, like I said, I want to look healthy. And I want to feel and look good. I want to feel good health-wise, psychologically, mentally, food-wise, feel good, balanced life, and look good. Looking good is still also our business in Yemizkitchen while we are cooking for people to enjoy their life with. So those are my goals. So if you have any comments, because I'm showing you all these pictures of my vision board, this vision board is made with pictures. If you have one that you like, that it goes well or tally with your vision for 2020, retag me on my social media. Make a comment, be interactive. But I'm saying, make a comment, be interactive, and tag me on my social media. Love you. Don't forget, happiness is a choice on Yemizkitchen. Follow, like, subscribe, share, bang in the notification bell so you can see any of my videos that I'm posting, any new videos. Moreover, I want you to be interactive this year. Try as much as to tell me what's going on, what you're feeling at this time, and tell me what's your vision board for 2022. What is your goal? You can call it your resolution. I don't want to say New Year resolution. They're just my vision board. Most of all, I want to have a healthy eating, and I want to look good. I want to be happy more. I want to be more organized. I want more balanced in my life. Too much work is too bad. Too much rest is too bad. So I just want to be balanced. Okay? Have a good day. Love you so much. Yemizkitchen. Mwah!